Jara Kutungma Romoi Manipur Hasteo Kuki-Meite Bosoni Lukurokni Bisingo Joba Nangai Tonglaimani Tabuk Botong Kusang Nyako Gobangma Borokni Nokho Shoksawi Rizakbaikha Te Buthar Zakbaikha Haipano Tabuk Bo Opati Munatoye Tong Kusangni Bukang Yapri Harzagyakho Te Christian Nokni Shakawa Violence Ngai Tongmani Dakti Abono Mothangna Bagai Sa Shalok Kaisa Himbo to Khlailaye Shalaka Christian Dormo Khlai Tongai Lukurok
Benar market tu. Ayam bagi got tu. Sini takuk bopuk song Manipur ni chung siyo chung khanawo chung media by nugo onek khasta kai tongo tabuk bo political conflict tongkha communal conflict tongkha tabuk religious conflict tongkha chung borok ne bagi surunan nango chung borok ne loge in solidarity we have to be with them in their time of difficulties and sorrows. So this is our effort to show our solidarity with them. We pray for them as one family, as brothers and sisters, as Christians, as non-Christians. We have come together here to pray for the peace in the heart of each one of us, especially in the lives of our brothers and sisters in Manipur. We continue to pray for them. They are not left alone. our God promises us, God Emmanuel, God is with us, and even when they are in the problems, He is with them. Trusting in this, we continue to accompany them in our faith life, also by helping them whatever means that we can. So my brothers and sisters, and I take this opportunity to thank all of you for having come together to bring an awareness that we need peace, a peace that not the world gives, the peace that Christ gives, that God gives. And that is what we need in our life today, and especially our brothers and sisters in Manipur need today. We continue to accompany them, and we also remember in our daily life, we pray for them. In whatever way we can, we will help them, because it is not only their suffering today, it is also our suffering. They are our brothers and sisters. If we left them alone, tomorrow it will be the problem with us. We will not be able to exercise our own faith. Besides faith, there is even the very existence of humanity is questioned. Looking at the things that are happening, the brutal rape and murder and killings, which are not expected from us, and we really feel disappointed, we are anguished, and we pray. We also appeal to the governments of Manipur and the government of India to take an immediate effect, to take an immediate action on the conflict that is happening there, so that peace may prevail. We need peace. Let us continue to work and strive for peace. God bless all of us.
Thank you. Communication. Ini jotna khabak sakha thamsa ke sing. Abang ma dini mission sing Catholic hindi press hindi joto sing je Karbook sub division sing Christian hindi hinjang nai rok sing tini khabak sakha sing tini peace rate Khlaijakha tam bagi Himalaya sing nugo sara barat bachawno sing Christian ni oporogo torsa khaimani sing nugo tong विशेष के तब वर्तमान तौर से नहीं चाहूँ कि मणिपुर में चाहूँ मणिपुर अपनी विरुद्ध सिंह इंडिया गवर्नमेंट सिंह सानायो जाते ओमहाय वायलेंस नहीं चाहूँ ख्रिस्टान नि साकाव ओमहाय वायलेंस नहीं चाहूँ हम जाते दाती दाती में अस्त फाइनेंस थे है के ओमहाय जोदी नहीं चाहूँ है के कैसे बाय कैसे हेबो नेशनल लाइमा फैनाय हायनि बागै गवर्नमेंट सं बरक दाती दाती अस्त फैनाय नांगौ ओमहाय ख्रिस्टाननि साको ओमहाय वायलेंस नि दंमारो टर्चारनि दंमारो दाती अस्त फैनाय थों तामनि माले इंडिया अंखा कैसे तामनाय धर्म निरपेक्ष देश जों 12 बोसोराव जों सैमानो धर्म निरपेक्ष देश होननाय सैमानो हायबानो जों दिनै धर्म निरपेक्ष देश होनके तांगै कैसे कैसे धर्मनि ऊपराव अमाहायके टर्चार खायनाना हायनि बागै जों अमाहायके जों सह्य खायमिया तामनाय दाती दाती स्टप खायनांथों अमाहायके टर्चार खायदोंमोन ओरंनो आसुनथों हामबाय